The Resort Shirakami train is one of Japan's most scenic train journeys. I'll show highlights of the route and give tips on the best photo spots, choosing a seat, and a few other secrets to make the most of the experience. We are at Akita station, getting ready for the first train to Aomori. In the first half of the video, I'll show the train journey so that you know what to expect, and at the end, I'll answer common questions and give secrets for the best trip. Today, we are on the red Kumagera train. There are 3 Resort Shirakami train models, blue, green, and red. They all follow the same route, but the interiors are slightly different. After leaving Akita city, the landscape changes to peaceful countryside and rice fields. 1 hour later, the train stops for 10 minutes at Noshiro. The town's high school basketball team inspired the manga Slam Dunk. I heard there are basketball mini-games, but there's no one around, so I get a stamp for my collection and pick up my pre-ordered food. Very soon, the train is off again. I ordered a mochi and bean paste dessert and a sweet bun, which are local Noshiro treats. The train is now traveling on the coast that is facing the Sea of Japan. Sometimes the train slows down for a few seconds at the best views. Along the route is a Juniko station where people disembark to explore the Blue Pond and the Shirakami Sanchi. I tried a Noshiro beer. I like fruity flavors, so I prefer huckleberry over the Akita cedar beer. The train is traveling on the single-track Gono line, so at Fukaura Station, the train stops for a few minutes to let another train pass. Depending on the service, there can be some small differences on board. This train didn't have a shop in carriage 2, and the train didn't make the 15-minute Senjojiki stop. However, the route and scenery remain the same. After passing Ajigasawa Station, there was a musical performance of the Tsugaru shamisen, a 3-stringed instrument from Aomori. We are 1 hour away from Aomori. The train has left the coastline and the landscape is looking increasingly urban. Our journey today ends in Aomori, one of the world's snowiest cities. Aomori is a gateway to exploring northern Japan. But right now, we're searching for warmth, so we're walking past the Nobuta Museum and straight to the A Factory store for food, restaurants, apple souvenirs, and even an apple cider tasting bar. A Factory is busy, but with lots of food options, it's a good ending to this chapter of our journey. Keep watching because after this section, I'll give you the answers to common questions that many people have before riding the Resort Shirakami Scenic train, plus a few secrets that make a big difference. Which direction should I travel? I traveled from Akita to Aomori, but the scenic section is the same in both directions, so I'd choose whichever best fits your itinerary. Which side has the best views? A good guide is to look at where the box seats are placed. The box seats are always on the side that faces the coastal Sea of Japan views. The ordinary seats with the letter A are facing the sea, regardless of whether you're starting from Aomori or Akita. If you didn't get a good seat, there are shared observation areas in the train you can sit at for short periods. They are at the front and back of the train. Box seats or regular seats. Box seats are the most popular and sell out quickly. If one seat in a 4-seat box is booked, the whole table is reserved, making it feel more private. The box seats can also be pulled out to create a Japanese-style seating, but this may not appeal to everyone. The regular seats can be rotated for groups, and the regular seats can be reclined. The regular seats with a central passageway had more light compared to the box seats that had walls and a side corridor. When should I book? All seats on the Resort Shirakami need reservations. Online and in-person reservations open 1 month before the departure date at 10 a.m. Japan Standard Time. Are there food and drinks on board? You can bring your own food onto the train. There are plenty of places to buy snacks and train bento at Aomori and Akita stations. I wasn't able to find out if my train had a food counter, so I picked up food before boarding. This turned out to be the correct choice because there wasn't food service on the train. Some Resort Shirakami trains have an onboard sales counter, but this varies. I also pre-ordered local food for pickup at Noshiro Station. When I arrived, half of my order was late and might need a refund, but it turned up just before the train left. So don't panic if things seem a little disorganized. Where are the best photo spots? Don't worry about trying to spot every viewpoint. The train slows down at the most scenic coastal sections and announces them on board. But so you're ready with your camera, here's where it happens. Between Iwadate and Omagoshi is when the train slows down. Between Fukaura and Hiroto is the most spectacular coastal section. And near Zenjojiki Station is a long scenic section. Can I get off and on again? If your train makes a longer scheduled stop, be sure to return before it departs. If you plan to get off and explore one of the towns or attractions along the route, you'll need to make a new reservation for the next section of your journey. Is there luggage space? There are luggage racks for smaller bags. If you're traveling with a large suitcase, I saw most people keeping it beside their seat or near the observation area. What are the restrooms like? The restrooms are small but clean and well maintained. There was an accessible toilet, but it wasn't working when I was there. Is the trip worth taking? For travel between Aomori and Akita, the Resort Shirakami is a low-effort, affordable option. It runs along the coastline, slowing at scenic points along the way. Because of this, it takes around 1 to 2 hours longer than the regular limited express. The train is on the older side, but it's well maintained. Overall, it's an enjoyable trip and worth considering if you're in the area. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching.